The biggest blessing in life is a good wife and a good husband. This is the biggest blessing ever in life. A good company. Someone who supports you, someone who values you, someone who respects you, someone who appreciates your sacrifices, someone who understands your value, who understands your personality, someone who respects your choices, someone who flow with you, someone who can fly with you, someone that have the same passion, you know what I'm saying, the same love, someone who understands that I'm afraid to lose you, we're afraid to lose each other. This is what we need. This is the biggest blessing ever on earth, and I can't wait to have it.